Hi everyone, Michael here. Today we're going to be transforming the Polar Lights Klingon D-7 into the FASA Romulan Stormbird. For this particular build, I'm basing it from a ship featured in the Romulan Ship Recognition Manual produced by FASA. It's from a Star Trek role-playing game. And inside is the V11 Stormbird class. It's literally the same exact ship as the Klingon D-7, but it features all these intricate bird designs, which I have actually replicated on painting mask, which I'll show later in this video. I've already built many of the sub-assemblies. They've already been sanded and putty smooth using Bondo glazing spot putty, and they are ready for paint. So be back in a bit. I'll go ahead and put down the base color for this. Alright, now the base color has been applied. I used Tamiya German Gray and Neutral Gray for the two main colors with some chrome silver accents. I only painted the top sections of both the head and the engineering hole just to kind of break up the colors. And now let's go ahead and apply the mess. Now all the masks have been applied. These are the areas that would be covered by the mask set. The top of the head, and then the nose. This is actually done in 3 pieces, one for each side, and then one large one for the bottom. You got the front of the engineering hull. Got the graphic on the bottom. Then we got both of the pylons and the top. And let's get some paint on this and see how it turns out. I have already airbrushed the paints for the wings. Now let's remove the large graphic on the top. Awesome. If you have any questions about this build or have suggestions for more topics I should cover in these videos, please leave them down below in the comment section. And as always, stay creative.